According to S&P Global, the global manufacturing economy is experiencing a deflationary trend, with factory prices falling for the second consecutive month in June 2023. This decline is attributed to improved supply chains, lower energy prices, and subdued demand. However, this deflation is partially offset by high wage pressures, which suggest a persistent core inflation. The article highlights that manufacturing output prices, the average charges for goods leaving the factory, fell at the sharpest rate since May 2020, excluding the early COVID-19 lockdown months. This decline represents a significant reversal from the inflation trend seen just over a year ago. The reduction in selling prices has been facilitated by a recent decrease in input cost inflation. While producer input prices were rising at a near record rate in early 2022 due to the invasion of Ukraine and the inflationary impact of the pandemic, cost pressures have significantly eased in recent months. Supply chains have improved, shifting pricing power to the buyer as shortages and supply chain delays have disappeared, often replaced by situations of excess supply. This excess supply is partly due to a growing shift towards inventory reduction as manufacturers and their suppliers aim to reduce stock holdings due to disappointing demand. Despite the decrease in raw material costs, energy and demand, wage growth remains a stubbornly elevated influence on prices. Wage pressure even increased slightly in June, hinting at a stickiness of core inflation pressure in the global economy. Out of the 31 economies for which S&P Global manufacturing PMI data are available, selling prices fell in 19 cases. Australia reported the steepest decline, followed by Poland, Austria, Italy and Brazil. Prices rose at increased rates in Turkey, India, and Russia, with the steepest rate of increase reported in Indonesia, followed by Turkey and Japan. In major economies, the Eurozone is seeing the sharpest rate of manufacturing selling price deflation, followed by mainland China. Prices are largely unchanged in the UK and US, though this likewise signals a marked contrast from the steep inflation seen last year.